My daughter was on the ground, not responding, not saying anything, not moving. I heard that it looked like one of her foot was broken because it was bent way back. And a girl by the name of Chrissy, she was also in the fight. I heard that she stomped my child. She stomped her. Eyewitnesses said she stomped her. One gave this report. Tiffany gave the report. Sharma gave the report to the police that they stomped my child. The police is looking for them, and every time the police go, they hide. They know that she's on life support now. She's on life support. Breathing on her own. Kaylin is not responding. The doctors are saying that she has a spinal injury. Kaylin's
Blessed day, my viewers, subscribers. If it's your first time here, ensure you subscribe now. Click the bell icon to turn on your post notification. From last night, I want to talk about this. It just bothered me. I couldn't even sleep last night until I decided to address the situation and give my opinion as usual. 17-year-old Kaylin Daddy still on life support after being brutally mobbed by a gang of 6 women. The incident, my viewers, subscribers, happened at a party on Barbican Road in St. Andrew. Based on eyewitnesses, they stated that the teen was confronted by a woman who accused her of staring at her. They said that an argument developed between the two, which led to Daddy's friend, I think it's Tiffany, intervening in the conversation. The female started to fight the friend and Daddy tried to assist. He was attacked from behind with a NSA bottle by another woman. Soon after, it was a gang of 6 against 2. My viewers, subscribers, what even make matters much more worse, everything just turned wrong way after that. You see, after they hit her with the NSA bottle, she fell to the ground but was stamped and kicked and hit repeatedly with the bottle afterwards to the point of unconsciousness. Her friend also received some nasty wounds to the point of being unable to see because of the blood being in her eyes. But most of the focus and energy was on Kaylin, my viewer subscribers. It was also said to my viewer subscribers that Kaylin brother was also fighting earlier at the party in Barbican. What kind of disturbed me the most before me even give my honest opinion on the matter was that the nobody tried to assist the teen. Nobody tried to assist Kaylin. You know, they not try to diffuse, they not try to intervene, they didn't try anything. And we're talking about a party that had more than 30 people at the party. And you mean to tell me say a group of 6 women, gang, 1 female, and nobody intervene for try part the war or break it up? Yo, something wrong here, man. I just hope them find them female here. A search is on to locate these female. But it is said that every time them pull up at the female them house or whatever, them hide. But when no one say police are gonna find them can hide, but for how long? Or for so long. You get me, viewers, subscribers? This is not acceptable. You get me? And how you fi beat up somebody for look upon you? Like, how you fi beat up some... look... John Star, look how people are so immature and foolish. You mean if you tell me say a female, a girl look upon you, and you go over to the girl and ask the girl why she look upon you? Come on, man. My viewer subscribers. Wanna think? Come on. Even if you and this female had any form of beef or issue, but then probably you know the whole female thing go, and you know party, and that still not give you the right to beat up a female just because she look upon you. And for showing how all on a coward, on a gang the female, on a don't beat up the friend, on a don't beat up Tiffany already because she couldn't help. A 6 on the female upon the ground when she not move, when I kick her, when I stamp her, when I beat her same way. What kind of people wanna be, man? I feel it for all the mother when I see the mother come on TV and attack me. I feel say, yo, Jano star, Jano. Tiffany has been unconscious from Saturday. Today is when? Today's Friday. She has been unconscious from Saturday. She a battle for her life, pan life support to show you how them beat her, or how the female them beat her. Just imagine, you know. You get somebody beat you until you're unconscious, you can't move, and them continue reach to a point where you're on life machine now for sure you. I even heard that one of her them broke on her foot them. And when her foot broke, them still a beat her. And me I say, yo, people in the party, my viewers, subscribers, people in the party. And nobody not try to stop, nobody not intervene or do something. Everybody take out phone a video and I watch the 6 woman them a beat up the little teenager on the ground, my viewers, subscribers. What? Yo, right now, everybody with the party to get locked up. Everybody. Yo, them things you're paying me out. I mean, I don't know this teenager from nowhere. I don't know her from nowhere, but I kind of feel where she and her family are go through right now. You get me? I kind of just jeez and please, my viewers, subscribers. Yo, police, hurry up and find them woman here now. Like, hurry up and find them woman here. Please hurry up. This is just foolishness. This is unacceptable. Craziness, man. You beat up a female, a teenager, just by staring at you. You're there in a party. And somebody stare at you, decides to go over to the person and ask the person why they must stare upon you so. Eh? And when the friend try to assist the female who wanna attack, wanna beat up the friend and lick the other girl with a Hennessy buckle, a glass buckle. Me can tell her from the moment them lick her the glass buckle, she probably unconscious from that point. And wanna continue. And when the beginner move, wanna step on her. Cheese and peace, my viewers, subscribers. And one can't say wicked, man. And a man alone of them things here. Female of them things here too. 6-1. Coward. Stupid. Foolish. Yo, you see uno? Gotta have some of uno, man. You get me? Because you see people like uno live in the yard and go road go get trouble. When you go road with a problem, them and take it up on other people. That with uno. You have some set of people, and I even not talk about female, I talk in general people. That's why I'm in a mix and mingle. That's why I'm in a go party. I'm in a go certain place. Because you go some place and you have a mirage of people. We have them problem, them a bag of things for them and then just come for just let out all that pan you for no reason at all. Because arguably, it's fair to say that the teenager did nothing. Even if when the girl them step over to her and she should defend herself, she have a right to defend herself because like, yo, me a look pan you and my eye, wait, what, me can't look? You see it? Me can't look and nothing even hurt me. Like how if you know say yo, more than 30 odd people at the party and nobody try to break up or de-escalate the fight. Nobody not try to do nothing. No long want to come do a video about this. You know long but me I try to analyze the situation and it just hurt me so me I say yo, Gianno, like I watch the video them with our parents over and over and last night again me I watch TVJ News and me I say yo, Gianno star, poor. Yo, like I mean I might not have no relationship, me not know them from nowhere, but the feeling no mutual. It's like I know me and me I feel it. This could have happened to anybody else. No, the poor little girl a battle for her life. Not only she a feel it, but her mother a feel it. Where she a get all the money from to take care of the female there? What if she pass away, God forbid? Even though we are pray say that's not the outcome. The doctor them say she have a 1% chance of surviving. Even though when Jesus say yes, no man can say no. So we don't really watch them things anymore. We leave everything in the most eye and you see, but just think about it, my viewers, subscribers. Just really and truly think about it. It no look good. And me really and truly want the police find them woman here. I want them find them man. A matter of fact, me not no sympathy for nobody at party. Or if you never involved in a fight, nothing. You could have to do something. I mean, no one say, yo, probably people fear or afraid because them try to intervene. They want to get gang too. But I kind of know them things about it better you try to do something than you're dead here, you do nothing, and you just live with this forever if you say, yo, you couldn't do something. If this female pass away, no, God forbid, you know, and you couldn't do something, you know, it go haunt you forever, you know, because you say, you know, something couldn't do something to stop this. But my viewers, subscribers, Comment in the comment section below and what you think about it. Until next time, just vibes, I'm out.